Hey, Prasoon. So I was able to track down the issues. Let me close out this stuff and we'll start from scratch on it. Let's get that window up. Let's get this window up. And let's get this window up as well. All right, so let's delete the from the build. So the main issue was completely my fault. When MailJack Plus became, or I'm sorry, when Directory Monitor became a hybrid of the old MailJack Plus, so it could run locally, all those library files were never put into the build on here. So when I was actually trying to build it, it was not doing that. But I did notice a second issue too. It looks like I resynced from the master. And when I pulled from the master, it changed the directory name from source. So I renamed it back to source and then everything went fine. There was another tweak I needed to do too, where in the Gradle build file, and I'm going to push all this out, I didn't have the images folder on there too, so the system tray icon was not working properly and I was getting an error on that. But all in all, I think we're back to where we wanted to be on this. So now on here, when I build from Gradle, so let's open up all of our folders. All right, so I'm going to build from Gradle over here. This should take about, I'm assuming about 10 seconds or so. Build in the jar. Okay, there's the file showing up there, still 0K, and now it just went to 22 megabytes. Now when I'm over in this folder now, so I could see the jar file in there. You can see when I run it, it now runs properly, and we get everything we need to on it. So that looks like the main issue. I'm going to re-push all this stuff out for you, and then hopefully that takes care of any of the issues you were having. Give me a yell if there's anything else, but yeah, I'm using Gradle 2.12, and that seems to build it properly on my end. Again, if there's any issue, give me a yell. We'll look into it a little bit more, but I'm pretty certain that was the issue, is when we went to MailJack Plus hybrid, those library files never made it over. So on my next push out, which I'll call it revision 5, we'll put all that stuff in there, and then you should be good to go. All right, thanks a lot. Bye.